Xponent Power was an idea that our founder Rohini Raghunathan conceived back in roughly 2018-19. She was trying to figure out how we can come up with a solution for replacing using a generator. When you're sitting in nature with your family enjoying the quietude and the sounds of the birds, you have this constant whirring sound of a generator that interrupts your peace and tranquility. The whole idea is to eliminate that pollution, both noise and real air pollution. The OpenBOM is the foundation on which our product is built. So all of the mechanical systems that we today put together get deposited into the OpenBOM database. It is the single source of truth for the entire company to access the data. This is an open system that has been a massive benefit to us. What OpenBOM has done for us is that it has instilled a sense of discipline, a disciplined process for releasing the design. In the past, we used to do by email or by revisions that were chaotically released. It actually allows us to ensure that all of the revisions are correctly matched. So whenever we want to make a change, just the deltas are clearly captured in OpenBOM and then merged with the rest of the parts. I have worked in many industries and many companies in the past. That used to be our nightmare, that we always ended up releasing the wrong version. I can easily navigate OpenBOM and look for whatever I need. OpenBOM is easy to use. It allows us to build the discipline we want. And so far we have had zero errors in terms of issuing a wrong version of the file.